Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Look at all kind of snow right here. Okay. I mean, it has snow up here. The snow is melting everywhere. Okay. They even have snow on top of that thing over here. Some snow right here. Some snow right here. Oh, this playground was covered with snow right here. But get out of here. Whoa. Huh. This whole playground was covered with snow. The ice is melting. Okay. They even have ice on all these balconies right here. You see? All right. Oh, look. Check this out. About to show y'all this. Look. An icicle. Huh. Yuck. I shouldn't do that, huh? Well, that's poison. I hope I don't have to go to no hospital. Look up there on top of that roof thing. Look over here. Okay. They even have some ice. There's some snow right here. Some snow right here. Well, the thing is, the snow is melting out here, you know. All right. Oh, the snow. This was covered with snow. I was planning on coming over here and filming all that, you know. The ice is melting over here, you know. All right. So I'd go down the street and see them icicles down here from that slide here. I hope y'all can see all them icicles if y'all can see them. Okay, let's go over here. See if they. Oh, look at right here. Oh, I need to tie my shoe. Damn. They even have some snow on this. Well, the snow is melting right here. Look at the icicles here. Icicle hanging here. Icicle here. Snow right here. Look at this icicle right here. Oh, it's stuck. Well, it was stuck. I ain't gonna put this in my mouth because it had dirt on it. Oh, somebody wrote something. Angela. Who is Angela? Well, somebody that wrote that. Well, it didn't snow hard enough for somebody to make a tiny snowman. Oh, there's some icicles right here. Grab this. Oh, look at this. This long ass icicle. It broke to pieces. I don't know if y'all saw that. Yes, indeed. All this snow. Yes, indeed. Winter wonderland out here. All right. Next one.